Imagine looking down the starting line and realizing nobody is safe. No easy lane, no underdog, no guaranteed champion. Just 8 women who all believe they can become history. This isn't a final, it's a war. Because never before has this much speed standing together. Olympic champions, world champions, national champions, future champions, all chasing one finish line. But here's the terrifying part. Only one woman can cross first, and everyone knows it, which changes everything. Because sprinting isn't one only with legs, it's one with mind. Pressure destroys champions, pressure creates legends, and no race has ever carried this much pressure. Because this isn't about gold, it's about forever. Then the introduction begins. Lane 1, Adasia Hodge, the youngest star from the British Virgin Islands, explosive, fearless, still writing her story. Some people think she's too young, others think this is exactly when greatness begins. Lane 2, Tina Clayton, one of Jamaica's brightest young stars, already running times most athletes only dream about. Fast, aggressive, fearless, and completely unafraid of the biggest stage. Lane 3, Tia Clayton, her twin sister. Different style, same speed, same confidence, same dream. Imagine being twins, competing for the biggest race in history. One family, one finish line, one chance. Lane 4, Julian Alfred, Olympic champion, the woman who shocked the world, St. Lucia's greatest sporting hero. Smooth, powerful, relentless. She already knows what winning feels like. Now she wants something bigger. Lane 5, Melissa Jefferson Wooden. Quiet, calm, dangerous. One of the fastest starters in the world. Blink, and she's already ahead. Lane 6, Sha'Carri Richardson. The biggest personality in sprinting. Loved, hated, never ignored. Pressure follows her everywhere. But somehow, she runs towards it, not away from it. Lane 7, Shericka Jackson, the woman who can make top speed look effortless. The second fastest woman ever over 200 meters. Power, relaxation, perfection. Her strength isn't panic. Her strength is patience. Lane 8, Elaine Thompson-Herah, the fastest woman alive. Back-to-back Olympic double champion. The only modern woman to come within 500ths of Flojo legendary 100-meter record. If anyone knows what history feels like, it's Elaine. Then silence. Complete silence. Because nobody wants to blink. Everybody knows. History somehow lasts less than 11 seconds. Then the camera zooms across the field. Look at those faces. Nobody is smiling now. The fun is over. Every athlete knows something. This race changes career. Lose, and people question everything. Win, and your name lives forever. But here's what nobody talks about. Pressure doesn't affect everyone equally. Some athletes become tighter. Some becomes faster. Which athlete handles chaos best? Sha'Carri feeds off noise. Elaine ignores it. Melissa trusts her start. Julian trusts her finish. Shericka trusts her top speed. The Claytons trust fearlessness. Adasia trusts youth. Every woman believes her path is the right one. Then another thought enters your mind. What if nobody wins comfortably? What if this becomes the closest race ever? 8 women separated by hundreds. Imagine cameras needing photo finish. Imagine commentators unable to call the winner. Imagine the scoreboard taking forever. Because every lane deserves another look. Then another question appears. Could the world record survive this? That's where debate begins. Some people say no. They believe this much talent pushes everyone higher. Others disagree. They say pressure slows people down. They say records happen when everything is perfect, not when everyone expects history. Who is right? Nobody knows. That's why this race matters, because uncertainty creates greatness. Then imagine the gun. Perfect reaction. Melissa flies. Sha'Carri matches her. Julian stays close. Elaine builds. Shericka waits. The Clayton explode. Adasia refused to disappear. 30 meters. Nobody leads clearly. 50 meters. The crowd is already screaming. 60 meters. Elaine starts moving. Exactly like she always does. Sha'Carri refuses to give ground. Melissa keeps driving. Julian finds another gear. Shericka begins hunting. The twins are still there. Nobody is fading. Nobody. This has never happened. Now 80 meters. The stadium stands. Phones disappear. People start recording. They're watching history instead. Now 90 meters. The clock becomes visible. 10.6, 10.5. The entire stadium holds its breath. Could this actually happen? Could the greatest women 100-meter race ever produce the greatest sprint ever? Nobody knows. That's the beauty of sports. Then they cross. Nobody celebrates. Nobody knows. 8 women turn towards the clock. Fans stare. Commentators stop talking. The time flashes. Then another flashes. Photo finish. The debate begins instantly. Did someone break the record? Did Elaine finally find those missing hundreds? Did Sha'Carri deliver the race of her life? Did Julian defend her crown? Did Melissa shock everyone? Did youth arrive sooner than expected? Did the Claytons announce a new era? Did Adasia become the next global superstar? Nobody agrees. Everyone has an opinion. Social media explodes. Track forms melt down. Fans argue for weeks. Experts slow the race frame by frame. And maybe that's exactly what makes this race unforgettable. Not knowing. Because sometimes the greatest race aren't remembered because everyone agrees. They're remembered because nobody ever stopped debating them. Years later, people won't ask who lined up. They'll ask something much bigger. Was that the greatest 100-meter final ever assembled? And maybe the answer depends on who you're cheering for. Because legends don't end debates, they create them. And this race would create one that lasts forever. If you like the content, please like and subscribe.